Good afternoon, and thanks for joining us for this News 8 Now Coronavirus HQ update. I'm Tyler Jobe. La Crosse County health officials are seeing a trend with the recent cases of COVID-19. 7 new cases are being reported today. That brings the county's total to 132 confirmed cases. That is an increase of 56 cases in just 1 week. County health officials say a number of the recent cases have involved people in their 20s who have visited bars, restaurants, and beaches. In an effort to contact trace these cases, the health department is identifying certain businesses where people may have been exposed to a positive case. Health officials say anyone who visited one of 6 bars in downtown La Crosse, Pettibone Beach, and Blue Moon in Onalaska between June 5th and 7th was likely exposed to COVID-19. Anyone that visited those locations is asked to complete a form on the La Crosse County's COVID-19 page. They say everyone can play a part in reducing the spread of COVID-19.
You have the opportunity to decrease your risk when you are leaving your home. So there is always risk outside of your home.
Rumbalski says a lot of the current cases are because of people not following guidelines, including social distancing and wearing a face mask in public. More than 22,900 people have tested positive for COVID-19 in Wisconsin. Nearly 700 people have died from the virus, and a little more than 16,800 people have recovered. Along with the new cases in La Crosse County, Trempealeau County is reporting 5 new cases, and Monroe County is reporting 1 new case. In Minnesota, nearly 30,900 people have tested positive and a little more than 1,300 people have died. Just over 27,000 people have recovered from the virus. And in Iowa, over 24,100 people have tested positive and 661 people have died. A little more than 14,800 people, though, have recovered. Applications are now open for $75 million of grants for small businesses in Wisconsin. The We're All In grants are designed to help businesses recover from the pandemic. As many as 30,000 businesses will get the $2,500 grants. Money will help with health and safety improvements, wages, and rent.
What we're trying to do is just provide a little extra grease for the wheels as they start to reopen and to help them, pay for those unexpected expenses.
The program is the largest small business assistance program in Wisconsin Economic Development Corporation history. Applications are open through June 23rd. Applications and additional information is available on the WEDC website. The Boys and Girls Clubs of Greater La Crosse are starting their reopening, and as we have reported, initially only locations not based at local schools are reopening. The clubs are open for kids in kindergarten up through 5th grade. Activities will only happen in small groups to limit interactions with others. Club members and staff will be required to go through a screening process that will include temperature checks. While the clubs will feel different, it will help the community just to be open.
We needed to be able to be there for families and be able to support them, and also support the youth in a safe environment, which is always our #1 goal.
Clubs will be open Monday through Thursday. A deep cleaning of facilities will take place on Fridays, in addition to daily cleaning efforts. Thank you so much for joining us for this coronavirus update. We hope you can join us tonight at 5, 6, and 10.